All right, now that we've planned out what we're going to build, let's go ahead and get building. So in Boundless, I went ahead and I created a new app, and I created that from scratch. And the first thing that I want to do is we're going to create the new tables that we need to store information. So the tables are where the information for the jobs and leads and that sort of thing are going to be stored. So when you create a new app in Boundless, they automatically give you a users table, which is what you can create to allow people to log in and create accounts. Now, for the very basic version of our job board, we're not going to really use the users table, but we are going to create a new one, a couple new tables. So first off, we need to create a leads table, and this is the one that's going to allow us to collect people's email addresses and things like that. So first off, let's go ahead and create a new column or field name, and we're going to call that email, and it's going to be field type of email. And done. And that's really all we need for our leads table. We're going to just collect people's email addresses, and then we can keep bringing them back to the site, and we don't need any more information than that right now. And then let's go ahead now and let's create the jobs table. Okay, so on the jobs table, first thing we're going to want is the job title. And for this field type, it's going to just be a single line plain text. Create that, and then we're going to create a new field. And this one we will name job application link. And this will be a URL linking to the place where someone can fill out a job application. Create a new field. This one we will call job location. And for this one, we can also do, so they have location. Let's go ahead and start with that, and if we need to switch it, we can. Job description. And since the job description is going to be a bit longer, and we will maybe want to do some formatting on that text or allow for that, we can make it a multiple line rich text field type. Then let's go ahead and add some job categories. And for field type, for this one, let's go ahead and make it a single option select. So we can create a list of options here that they can choose from. So let's say programming and design. We'll say copywriting. Could be for sales, marketing, and then let's just throw finance in there. And we'll go with no default, and we'll say done for the categories. Now, I had mentioned before about potentially making a company table, but I think for now, let's just throw the company information on the job listing just to keep things really simple and get something up and running really quickly. So we'll say this one is company name, single line plain text, a new field for company logo. And for this one is going to be a file upload. Well, actually, it's going to be an image upload. That's what we'll do. And then we'll say contact email. So this is the email of the person that is submitting, so we can get back in touch with them. And then finally, we need a way to make sure that we can approve or not, and only have approved listings show up on the website. And so this one, we're going to just make a Boolean value. So it'll be true or false, or approved or not. And I think that is good for now for the tables.